Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with Ford F-150 Electric is coming into reality as early as 2021. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. In 2017, Ford announced that it would sell an all-electric versions of its best-selling F-150 pickup truck. It plans to start selling hybrid versions in 2020, and as a way to start priming the pump, or plug as it were, for a vehicle that will no doubt be a very big deal. The company released a video Tuesday demonstrating the electric truck's remarkable towing capacity. It's a nifty stunt meant to allay the concerns of the truck driving public that electric can be built for tough too. Ford has a lot riding on electric F-150, which will drop around the same time as the company forthcoming battery-powered Mustang-inspired crossover. The company has said it will spend $11.5 billion to produce over a dozen electrified models, which includes EVs and hybrids by 2022. In the fine print, Ford describes the towing stunt as a one-time short event demonstration, and claims it is far beyond any production truck's published capacity. Right now, Tesla holds the record for pulling the heaviest load when a Model X towed a 287,000 pounds Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner nearly 1,000 feet on a taxiway at the Melbourne Airport in Australia last year. Ford officially confirmed plans to build a full electric F-150 at the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, in addition to offering hybrid versions of the best-selling truck. Spy shots have also shown a test mule under development in Michigan. It looked mostly the same as the existing truck, except for a place to plug in and a slightly higher ride height for fitting the battery underneath the cab. These vehicles are allegedly very early prototypes though. An updated F-150 is reportedly coming to the 2021 model year, and the EV variant would likely wear its revised styling. So far, spy shots of test mules don't tell us much about the truck's looks. However, early indications suggest that the popular pickup could have an infotainment screen as large as 12 inches or maybe even bigger. I mean, I have TVs in my home that is 12 freaking inches. Let me know in the comment section below folks, do you think 12-inch infotainment system is something that is necessary in a car, or do you prefer the regular size one? And also, a new 4.8 liter V8 with 420 horsepower might also join the range to replace the existing 5 liter V8.